Carlson-LaVine is an 80-year-old construction firm. We specialize in healthcare construction, grocery construction, and financial construction. We're based in the Twin Cities, which is a very competitive market for general contractors.
We did so many things manually with the old system that it was kind of scary at times. Now with everything automated, it's a lot less chance of it going bad.
Carlson-LaVine ran Sage for about 30 years, but a lot of disjointed processes that had a lot of fill-in Excel spreadsheets or manual processes of moving data from here to there, running singular reports to then pull that information off that report into an Excel spreadsheet and then back into our accounting system. So very fragmented.
On Sage, we had to have two separate databases for the payroll because field had to be in one and office had to be in the other. It made it really difficult at the quarter end and the year end to get it all merged together accurately, and so I didn't trust the software to do it for me, whereas now in Acumatica, it's all in one database.
Acumatica helps deliver on that brand promise of being relationship-based but also super efficient to our customers. Our biggest benefits into implementing Acumatica is the time spent on analyzing data versus time spent inputting data. We've been able to actually adjust people's roles because so much of their role was previously spent inputting data, where we have eliminated that probably 95% of the inputs that they were doing, and now they're really getting to define a much more enjoyable job and being a part of different projects.
With Acumatica's payroll, it's all automated now. I push a few buttons and it gets done. I don't have to type out things. I don't have the risk of doing numbers wrong.
Copeland Buell is a great partner because they were really dedicated to what our needs were in the long term.
They needed communication, collaboration, automation in order to continue to run their business efficiently and continue to grow their business without having that overhead of having to buy those extra bodies to come in and do those tasks.
Acumatica has improved how we do our work in process statements. I don't have to worry about the numbers anymore. It takes a week job and dumps it into 20 minutes, and it's more accurate.
With Acumatica, I'm really giving them a tool that helps them do their jobs correctly and more efficient. It's really like giving them a smartphone versus a rotary phone, and that just produces results and data much faster that we're able to give to our vendors and to our customers, which produces more business and helps us grow into the future.